Dr. Randall George Nozawa, the Bounce Back Blind Guy, and welcome to Enlightened Lifestyle Medicine. This is your Elm Stop, Optimal Wellness. Let's get it on. Today is a very special episode because we're going to be talking about biophotons and its coherence. So, what's a biophoton? Biophoton is light, and it's emitted by DNA, our DNA, and mitochondria, that special cell part that produces ATP or energy. Okay, so let's talk about this. There is a very well-known, world-famous doctor, Dietrich Klinghardt. You say, well, Dr. Randall, aren't you the most famous doctor? No, I'm not, thank you, but no, I'm not. He is. Anyway, his research has indicated that DNA, and he's taken measurements because they had these cameras that can take pictures of this. DNA, our mitochondria, okay, emit light, and they call it biophotons. Okay. For example, in your brain, there are 2 million biophotons created per second, and this light not only communicates with other cells in the body, but leaves the body and meets up with other light carriers, which are other humans, animals, plants, any kind of other being, if you believe in other beings that way. But now, these biophotons, because they're coherent, they can leave the body, leave cells, leave the DNA, leave the cells, but also be able to receive light. So it's bilateral. It goes both ways. Now, this precedes any kind of biochemistry, biology in your body. Because if you look at the autonomic nervous system, fight or flight, remember that? That's activated by cortisol. You feel stressed, afraid. Cortisol is released, and now you're active and you're alert. What precedes that, the messengers that precedes that, is light. Yes, the biophotons. So this is very, very new science, because for all these hundreds of years we've come to believe that the autonomic nervous system, fight or flight, was the creation of cortisol or the stress hormones by the adrenal glands. But you know, that's way too slow. And our brains are much faster than changing our proteins and turning thoughts into actions, because we think very quickly. And the only way that can be done is by light, because what travels at the speed of light? The speed of light. It's fast. It's almost immediate. To get a pain that you feel down in your toe to head up to your brain and to have a reaction from your brain go down to your toe. Okay? That's all by light. And it balances out things, because look, DNA produces proteins. Okay. Is that right? Now, what has been resolved or has been seen by these small cameras is that your DNA will emit that light and modify the protein wherever the body needs it. Could be a hormone like testosterone, estrogen, progesterone. Okay. It could be a thyroid hormone. It could be an inflammatory cytokine to tell other parts of your body that there's invaders, or where there's injury, where there's inflammation. Okay. It's for balance. And all of this precedes biochemistry. All of this precedes the biology. Okay. So take this home with you, and remember this name, a biophoton. Biophoton and coherence. Because what science has proven is that there is spirituality, because it can be measured. And thanks to Dietrich Klinghardt, he has proven that we are spiritual beings. That's right. Because all that light can come out of your brain, can come out of your body. And so when someone says you're the light, it's more than just metaphor, it's true. Because all of our cells emit light. DNA emits light. Mitochondria emit light. And other creatures emit light, and it meets ours. So it goes both ways. because it's bidirectional. We were put here as cosmic puzzle pieces. So there must have been some kind of incredible intelligence to put this all together. So take this home with you. Remember it. You are the light. And to make sure that you feed it well, use your brain. And you've got 3 of them. You've got the brain in your skull. That's a central nervous system, including your spinal cord. You have brain cells in your heart. Yes, your heart can think. And you've got brain cells in your gut. And we call that the microbiome. And this is the 75 trillion microbes, bacteria, viruses, parasites, yeast, molds, that live in an ecosystem of balance. Collectively, they have a brain, and they turn off your genes and turn on your genes when needed. But all of this preceded by light. Just remember that. Okay, you are the light. You are the biophotons. You feed it well. And how do you do that? Super nutrition, because nutrition, especially plant food, was made for humans to eat. And each of them has a certain light. Each of them has a certain vibration. Each of them do certain things in your body. So be the light, think the light. Hope you enjoy this. Now, if you did, please tell your friends, and give me a like, or send them my way to watch my show, because this is Enlightened Lifestyle Medicine, which can help you. And this particular episode is very special because not many people know about it. Not many people know about it. Okay, but you do, so tell your friends. Okay? And you live that best and greatest life ever, because you are the light if you want to be. And nothing is impossible if you never use that word. And what's left, it's always possible, isn't it? I'm Dr. Randy George Gonzalo. I'm the Bounce Back Blind Guy. We'll check you out next time. Bye-bye now.